This is the next car flip, and I just bought it from a car auction. I bought the car from BCA Auction Bristol. Let's go collect it and see if it's all good. This is the car that I bought, a 2010 Suzuki Alto. The car has 66,000 miles on the clock, and it's only had 2 owners. Right, there you go.
Thank you very much. Have a good rest of the day, alright?
Bye. Not bad at all, and it's clean as well. Before I drive off, I'm just going to check the car over just to make sure it's safe to drive. The engine all looks pretty fresh, which is good. There's also coolant in the car, which is good. So I've already found the first issue. The boot does not open. I'm gonna have to sort that out, unless the other key works with the boot. All right, I'm on the first drive in the car, guys, and so far it drives really good. Like, the clutch isn't slipping, nothing like that. I'm actually really happy with the bike. All right, let's see what it's saying. Nice. Drives solid. Oh no, it's the end of a road and I didn't realise. And to be fair, the car is in pretty good condition and it has long MOT. The only advice on the MOT was the 2 front tyres and also the 2 headlight lenses being faded, but I can polish them out definitely. I'm definitely going to change the hubcaps because, as you can see, they've definitely been through a lot. But apart from that, it is a really clean car, guys. Clean on the interior as well. Let's remove these dusty old hubcaps and replace it with some new ones. I bought these from Your Car Parts for £13. And I bought some high temperature matte black spray paint for £10.99. First thing, let's give the Steelies a good clean with some brake dust cleaner. I do have a jet wash, but I just don't have anywhere to use it in my new flat. So this will have to do. I've put some paper on the brake disc so no overspray gets on it, so let's spray these wheels. The front wheels are now complete. It's now time to do the back ones because they're the worst. And now it's time for the finishing touch. Let's put the hubcaps on and apply some tyre shine. The new hubcaps are now on and this is how the car looks with some tyre shine. And look at that, that looks so much better than it did before. The next thing to do is to attempt to restore these headlights, as you can see they're very faded. Right, that's the first pass. Let's wipe it off and see how it looks. Wow, look at the difference. That looks way better. So this is before and this is after. What a transformation. This is how the car turned out and it's now ready to put up for sale. So I listed the car up for sale on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree for £1,700. And within less than 24 hours I had a viewing booked. So now we're just on a test drive, which went pretty well. So if there's anything else you want to check, feel free to check it.
Tell us the price.
Well, I said the best I could do is 1.6 and you're not happy with that, so I guess that can't work. Yeah, what's the offer then?
Well, I would say 1,200.
Hell no. That's fine. You could go find another one for that price, right? It's fine. Yeah, it's alright. Nice meeting you guys anyway.
Come on.
No, it's alright, man. I don't have time to waste, is it? Like, I don't care.
1,600. Come on.
I don't care if it's. I'm not in a rush to sell it or not because I know it's a good car. So
we'll be looking at our budget as well.
The best I can possibly do is £1,500, and that is it. That's me. I'm not making any money on it doing that price. And the car's worth more than that. £2,000 the car's worth because it's got 66,000 miles.
13?
Nah, I can't do that.
Come on.
I can't do that. I cannot do that at all.
all the way from Exeter to see, like, to check the car.
Nah, I can't do that. I can't do 13. They tried to use the trick on me. 1,400. Nah. I'll keep it and make more money on it, boy. Do you know what I mean? Or shall I sell it? I might just sell it, guys, and get it gone, you know. Alright, let me chat to him a sec. Let me chat to him a second and see what he says. Alright, do you know what? I'll actually do it. Damn, boy, I'm getting haggled. The flipper, the car flipper has just been flipped, boy. I'm getting haggled. Damn. I'm really gonna sell it for 1,400. I think I'm stupid, bruv. The only reason why, yeah, is because I haven't had any interest in it but him. In a bit, it's calm. It's alright.
I see.
Huh?
What you understand? What I'm saying?
Huh?
What
No, it's, bro, it's alright. It's alright.
Sorry?
It's alright.
What I'm saying?
What's that?
I say you buying in the 1,000 upper of the price. I asked
More than that. What you say? You want to know what I paid for it?
Yeah, that's why I asked you. Because you are a trader.
Yeah.
That's why I asked you what is the trader price.
Alright, well. So in the end, I ended up selling the car to them for £1,400 just for a quick sale. So I won the car for £750. With all fees included, I paid £1,039. I then spent £13 on new hubcaps and £10.99 on some spray paint. Also, the car boot lock didn't need replacing because there's a switch on the inside to open the boot. So in total, I've only made £337 profit. But if I waited a bit longer, I probably could have got the £1,700 for the car.